EV stands for electric vehicle, which is a type of vehicle that uses one or more electric motors for propulsion instead of an internal combustion engine that runs on gasoline or diesel. EVs are powered by electricity stored in batteries, which are recharged by plugging the vehicle into an electrical power source. Let me tell you some types of electric vehicle: battery, electric motor, power electronics, charging, regenerative braking, control systems, electric vehicle types. Here's how electric vehicles work. Battery. The heart of an electric vehicle is its battery pack. This pack consists of multiple individual batteries connected together to provide the necessary voltage and capacity to power the vehicle. These batteries store electrical energy in a chemical form. Electric motor. EVs are equipped with an electric motor, which converts the stored electrical energy from the battery into mechanical energy. Electric motors are highly efficient at converting electricity into motion, providing instant torque and smooth acceleration. Power electronics. Power electronics components, such as inverters and converters, manage the flow of electricity between the battery and the electric motor. They ensure that the motor receives the appropriate amount of power and control the speed and torque output. Charging. EVs need to be charged regularly to operate. Charging is done by connecting the vehicle to a power source, typically through a charging cable. There are different types of charging options. 1. Level 1 charging. This involves plugging the vehicle into a standard household outlet. 1. It's the slowest method but is widely accessible. 2. Level 2 charging. This involves using a higher-powered charging station, often installed at homes, workplaces, and public locations. 2. It provides faster charging compared to level 1. 3. DC fast charging. These charging stations provide even higher power levels, allowing for rapid charging. 3. They are usually found along highways and in busy urban areas. Regenerative braking. Many EVs feature regenerative braking systems. When the driver brakes, the electric motor reverses its role and acts as a generator, converting the kinetic energy of the vehicle back into electrical energy. This energy is then sent back to the battery, effectively recharging it while slowing down the vehicle. Control systems. EVs are equipped with sophisticated control systems that manage various aspects of the vehicle's operation, including motor control, battery management, thermal management, and more. These systems ensure the vehicle's efficiency, performance, and safety. Electric vehicle types. There are different types of electric vehicles, including 1. Battery electric vehicles, BEVs. These run entirely on electricity and have no internal combustion engine. 2. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. These have both an electric motor and an internal combustion engine. 2. They can be charged externally and also use gasoline or diesel. 3. Hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs. These vehicles have an internal combustion engine and an electric motor, but the electric motor cannot be charged externally. 3. The electric motor assists the engine to improve fuel efficiency. Electric vehicles offer several benefits, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions, lower operating costs, due to cheaper electricity compared to gasoline, and quieter operation. However, their range and charging infrastructure can still be limiting factors for some potential buyers.